How to fix? There was an error connecting to the Apple ID server. This error can prevent you from accessing various online services, such as iCloud, Apple Music, or App Store. There are several possible causes and solutions for this problem. Here are some of them. Check the Apple server status. Sometimes, the error may be due to an outage or issue on Apple's side, not yours. You can check the status of Apple services on https://www.apple.com/support/systems-status. If you see any red or yellow indicators, it means that the service is down or experiencing problems. In that case, you may need to wait until Apple fixes the issue and try again later. Update your date and time settings. The error may also occur if your device's date and time settings are incorrect or out of sync with Apple servers. You can fix this by going to Settings, General, Date and Time, and making sure that the Set Automatically option is turned on. This will ensure that your device uses the correct date and time based on your location and network. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service to access the internet, it may interfere with your connection to the Apple ID server. You can try to disable or turn off your VPN or proxy and see if that resolves the error. You can also check the settings of your VPN or proxy and make sure that they are compatible with Apple services. Your need for MVPs depends on how actively you use the network. You'll need 8 to 12 MVPs for checking email, surfing the web, and watching simple videos. If you are also running 2 or more high-demand apps, multi-party video conferencing, telecommuting, you may need 12 to 25 MVPs. If you have 2 or more devices connected to your network under the same conditions, your needs increase to 25 plus MVPs. Checking the network quality through a website can be time-consuming, as a scan can take about 30 seconds or more. If you want to analyze connection quality with one click, try Wi-Fi Explorer. Sign out and sign in again. Sometimes, the error may be caused by a glitch or corruption in your Apple ID account. You can try to sign out of your Apple ID on your device and then sign in again. To do this, go to Settings, your name, sign out and enter your Apple ID password. Then, go back to Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone and enter your Apple ID and password. Update your software. The error may also be due to an outdated or incompatible software version on your device. You can check for and install any available software updates on your device by going to Settings, General, Software Update, and tapping Download and Install if there is an update available. This will ensure that your device has the latest features and security patches. Reset your network settings. The error may also be related to a problem with your network settings, such as Wi-Fi, cellular, or Bluetooth. You can try to reset your network settings to their default values and see if that fixes the error. To do this, go to Settings, General, Reset, and tap Reset Network Settings. This will erase all your network settings and preferences, so you may need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi or cellular network and pair your Bluetooth devices again.